3DBioCAD is the only strategic dental partner of Prodways in the United States. We have been working with many dental laboratory owners and managers, as well as many clinicians for numerous years to formulate the best solution to achieve a more efficient workflow and better profitability. 3DBioCAD is a complete dental CAD/CAM solution provider focusing on delivering superior services, products, and relationships to our clients. Of course, we always offer competitive pricing for all the products we sell. With experience in operating a full-service dental lab for the last 35 years, we share our expertise with clients to improve their digital workflow as well. We decided to partner with Prodways for their moving light technology, which has opened the door for a new level of printer usage for every user in the dental industry. Introducing to them a higher throughput of models, which can consist of 55 aligner models with 100 microns in little over an hour, allowing them to produce high precision models with unmatched resolution, which means 25 to 100 microns in the Z-axis and 42 microns in the X and Y axis, which proves for incredible surface finishes and clean margin lines. All of Prodways printers have a build speed up to 10 times faster than market standards and do not require supports, thanks to its trademark granite platform. Now, what we have here is an LD20 Plus. And the main difference between the LD10 versus the LD20 is that it can print 30 to 40% faster, thanks to the LD20's dual head projectors. On top of that, the Plus offers models, castable parts, and surgical guides, rather than just dental models. Now, the mirror and granite platform, which is about 12 by 18 inches, are guaranteed high quality, thanks to Prodways' industrial reliability. Our vat is roughly 50 millimeters in depth, which allows us to print models much taller than the average printer. If you have models that may be taller, Prodways offers vats with an even deeper depth. Inside the physical printer, you will be able to locate a camera, which can be used for remotely seeing inside your own printer in live action. Located on the side of the printer, there's a built-in touchscreen computer for the printer's operation, whether it's for printing or for maintenance, and a computer for the CAM software, which is used for the importing and the nesting. This CAM software makes it easy to import intraoral scan files and impression scan files. This CAM software will also take a variety of model building softwares. We personally enjoy using DGShape, but it will also take other third-party softwares like ExoCAD and almost any other platform that can produce an STL file. The CAM software we use to nest is Cambridge, which we mainly use for models, dyes, and soft tissues. Then, we import it onto the build platform. And it doesn't stop there. New updates coming in 2021 include super resolution and a new dedicated build style for aligner models, providing enhanced surface finishing with increased speeds up to 30%. On top of that, a new improved user interface for an even better printing experience.